How to use Curvo app for passive long-term investors properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. If you want to invest passively for the long term, Curvo might be the simplest way to start. But most beginners use it the wrong way and end up missing the whole point of passive investing. Here's how to use Curvo properly and avoid the mistakes it cost you. The first mistake people make is treating Curvo like a trading app. It's not. Curvo was built for hands-off, long-term investing through diversified portfolios. If you're checking your balance every day or trying to time the market, you're working against the system. Next, don't skip the goal setup process. Curvo asks you questions about your time horizon, risk tolerance, and financial goals. These aren't just for show, they determine the mix best suited to your profile. If you rush this, you might end up with the wrong balance between risk and reward. Another big mistake? Withdrawing too early. Curvo portfolios are designed for steady growth over years, not months. Selling during short-term market dips locks in losses instead of letting your investments recover. Pro tip: enable automated deposits. Curvo works best with consistent, recurring investments. Even a small monthly contribution benefits from your cost averaging, buying more when prices are low and less when they're high. And here's something most people don't realize: Curvo automatically reinvest dividends, meaning your money keeps compounding quietly in the background. The surprising truth? The less you tinker with it, the more powerful it becomes. So, set your goals, automate your deposits, and stay patient. Used properly, Curvo can make long-term investing effortless, consistent, and surprisingly effective.